Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on the cutting edge of technology and philanthropy, using blockchain for charity and donations. We'll explore how blockchain can increase transparency, reduce fraud, and improve the efficiency of charitable donations. So, what exactly is blockchain? In simple terms, blockchain is a decentralized ledger technology that securely records transactions across many computers. This means that once data is recorded, it becomes nearly impossible to alter it without consensus from the network. This feature is essential for charities looking to maintain trust and transparency with their donors. First, let's talk about the major funding issues charities face. Many donors worry about where their money is going and whether it will actually reach the people in need. Traditional systems often lack transparency, and mismanagement can lead to distrust. Blockchain makes these processes clearer, allowing donors to track their contributions in real time. Let's have a look at how that works in practice. Here's a simple diagram illustrating how blockchain works in the context of donations. Now, let's look at a practical implementation of blockchain for charity. We will build a simple donation tracker using Ethereum smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the agreement directly written into code. To set this up, we will use the Truffle suite, Ganache for our local blockchain simulation, and MetaMask as our wallet interface. First, make sure you have Node.js installed. You can check this by running the command below in your terminal. If you don't have it, head to the Node.js website and download the latest version. Next, let's install Truffle globally using npm, which comes with Node.js. In your terminal, run the following command. Now, let's create a new directory for our project and initialize Truffle there. After that, we'll need to set up Ganache to simulate a blockchain. Download Ganache from the Truffle Suite website and run it. This will give you a local environment to deploy your smart contract. Next, let's create our smart contract. Create a new file called charitytracker.sol inside the contracts directory. This contract will handle donations and track the flow of funds. In the contract, we define a struct for donations, which includes the donor's address, donation amount, a message, and the timestamp. The donate function allows users to send donations, and the get donations function retrieves all donations made. Now, let's compile our smart contract. Run the following command in your terminal from the root of your project directory. It's time to deploy our contract. We first need to create a migration file. To do this, create a file named 2_deploy_contracts.js inside the migrations directory. This file will handle the deployment process. Now we can deploy the contract onto our local blockchain. Start Ganache if you haven't yet, and then run the migration command. Great! Our charity tracker is now deployed. Let's interact with it using Truffle Console. Open it by running the command below. In the console, we can interact with our contract. First, let's get a reference to the deployed contract instance. Now let's make a donation. Use the following command, replacing the value of 0.1 Ether with your desired amount, and adding a message to accompany your donation. To retrieve the list of donations, we can call the getDonations function. The result will contain all donations made to the charity tracker contract. Now that we have a basic implementation, let's discuss the advantages of using blockchain for charity and donations. One of the notable benefits is the transparency that blockchain provides. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger. Anyone can view donations and how funds are allocated. This transparency helps build trust with donors. Secondly, blockchain significantly reduces fraud. Traditional systems can be vulnerable to manipulation or mismanagement, but with blockchain, once a transaction is recorded, it cannot easily be changed. This secure environment ensures that the funds go exactly where they are intended. Another crucial aspect is efficiency. Blockchain can automate many processes, such as tracking and distributing funds, which reduces administrative costs and speeds up transaction times. This means more of every dollar donated goes directly to those in need. Moreover, blockchain can allow for innovative fundraising methods, such as tokenized donations or assets, which can create new revenue streams for charitable organizations. Some charities even issue their own tokens, allowing donors to invest in their causes while receiving value in exchange. So, now that you know how to set up a charity tracker using blockchain, let's look at some real-world examples where blockchain is already making an impact in the charity sector. A well-known example is the organization BitGive, which uses Bitcoin donations to fund projects and helps track funds directly on the blockchain. This organization has demonstrated how blockchain technology can streamline funding processes, providing complete transparency into how every donation is spent. Another example is GiveTrack, a project that enables donors to track their contributions to various charities. Donors can see exactly where their money goes and how it's being used. This empowers donors to make more informed decisions about where they want to contribute based on the impact they can observe. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, many more projects are underway, integrating cryptocurrencies with charitable efforts. It's an exciting time for the intersection of technology and philanthropy. Now that we've covered the potential and practical implementation of blockchain in charity, let's take a moment to discuss the challenges that this technology faces. While the benefits are enormous, there are limitations, such as the understanding and readiness of organizations to adopt such technology. Education is necessary for organizations to fully benefit from blockchain technology. Moreover, there are regulatory and legal challenges in different jurisdictions. The landscape is changing rapidly, and it is vital to stay informed about the regulations surrounding cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Lastly, the volatility of cryptocurrency values can pose a significant risk for charities. Fluctuations in the market can affect the funds available to organizations if they choose to hold donated cryptocurrency rather than converting it immediately. Nonetheless, with the right educational initiatives and strategies to mitigate those risks, the potential for blockchain and charity remains vast and transformative. In conclusion, blockchain technology offers numerous advantages for charities and donations, promoting transparency, enhancing trust, reducing fraud, and improving efficiency. As we forge ahead into this digital age, understanding and leveraging these technologies can help ensure that charitable efforts are impactful and sustainable. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on blockchain and other technology-related topics. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you see blockchain making a significant impact on charities in the future? Leave your comments below.